story I'm going to tell you proves that you do not have to be big to make a difference. The story I'm going to tell you is about an unlikely pair. My name is Nicole, and I'm going to tell you the story of the lion and the mouse. One day, after a hard day's work, the lion decided to rest under the shade tree. He had not been asleep long when a family of mice came along, saw the same tree, and decided it would be a great way to go, a great shortcut to their house. Now, the smallest mouse begged and pleaded, "Please, please, I don't want to go that way. The lion is over there." His family did not listen, and they ended up going that way anyway. They all crawled over the lion. They were very quiet as not to wake him. But something happened when it was the mouse's turn, and the lion woke up. Now, the lion had just fell asleep, so he was very unhappy to be awakened so soon. He put his hand down really fast and caught the mouse in his claws. He looked at the mouse and he said, "Why have you awoken me?" The mouse didn't know what to say. The lion looked at the mouse and said, "I should eat you right now." "No, don't eat me. I can make it worth your while. Don't eat me. One day I can help you." "Ha ha ha," said the lion. "You help me? How can you do that? I'm big and you are small. Just think about it. One day you may be in trouble and I'll be able to help you." So without any further talking, the lion put his paw down and let the mouse go. A few days later, the lion was in a good mood. He was singing and dancing to his favorite tune. He decided that he was going to go and find the same tree. He was so happy that he did not see the trap that was set. And before he knew it, he was hanging upside down. Now, the lion being who he is, he tried not to panic. But the more he moved to free himself, the tighter the trap became. He didn't know what to do, so he decided to scream. He didn't know who was going to hear him, but he decided he would scream anyway. Now, on the other side of the woods, the mouse was looking for food, and all of a sudden, he heard the screams. He knew exactly who it was. It was his friend, the lion. "Hold on, buddy," he said. "I'm on my way." And he ran off in the direction of the screams. When Mouse got there, he saw Lion trapped in the hunter's trap. He started gnawing on the rope that held the trap together. And before they knew it, Lion fell on the ground and he was free. "Thank you, Mouse," said Lion. They both get out of there as fast as they could before the hunter comes back. And after that, the lion and the mouse were best friends. That day was a special day, not because the lion and the mouse became friends. It was special because he learned that even though Mouse was small, he could do big things. The end.